Hi, welcome back to C Programming. This is your Dr. Vasu. Let us see the addition of matrices. If you want to learn this and many more interesting topics, please do subscribe this channel. If you like this video, please hit the like button. That will keep me motivated to create many such videos in the future. Now, let's see how the addition of matrices is done. So here, we take a small example. We have taken two matrices, that is two arrays here. A is a 2 by 2 matrix in the form of an array, and B is also a 2 by 2 matrix in the form of an array. And the result to get the C, that is A plus B, we have taken another matrix, an empty matrix, which is initialized with the zeros. So I and J are two integer variables for I for rows and J for columns. So here, let's because the two matrices are given, data is given here. Let us see this addition of these two matrices and how it is done. Let's take an outer loop here with the for loop. I is equal to 0 and I less than 2. That means it can take only one value, 0 and 1. So two values. Because it has two rows, we have taken two values. And another inner loop for columns. Again here, this is a two-column matrix. That's why we have taken only two values, that is 0 and 1 for J, the columns. Now, the C, the resultant matrix is having Ij, C Ij is equal to A Ij plus B Ij. So when this J and I take the different values, that is 0 and 1, this addition of elements in the matrix is completed and will be ready to display. So for the display of this matrix A, we have taken another two loops here. That is outer loop for rows and inner loop for columns. And Ij values are initialized with the 0 here again. And the printf, this prints only the values of the elements in the array here. That is A, Ij values are printed. So here it's to have another line for each row, to have a different line. We have introduced a new line character, and this is the one for display of matrix A. Next, the similar matrix is used for the display of B, same. So here we have only two rows and two columns. And again, to display the result, the values of C are taken here. Here the values of B are taken in the second matrix. So like this, we have done the programming. Now let's compile this and execute. The values are given here for just a reference sake. So the output will be matrix A is having two rows, a 2 by 2 matrix. Matrix B is having a 2 by 2 matrix. That is, these are the two rows and two columns. And coming to the result, and the final matrix will be having this two rows and two columns, 11, 22, that is 10 plus 1, 11, 20 plus 2, 22, 30 plus 3, 33. Like this, we get the resultant matrix. So this is about the addition of a 2 by 2 matrix. Now, the same thing can be extended to any size, but here just let's see a 3 by 3 matrix. The data given for these matrices is different. So a 3 by 3 matrix A is a 3 by 3. The data is taken here. And B is another matrix with 9 elements. That is again 3 by 3. C is the empty matrix with zeros initialized. And coming to the display of these matrices, just we have taken A, Ij, which row and which column are represented here with the help of this A, Ij. Now, similarly, for B and the resultant matrix here. The same earlier program, but only the difference is earlier we have taken a 2 by 2 matrix. Here, this is a 3 by 3 matrix. That's why the value of I and J have changed. Earlier, it was 2. But here it needs three columns, three values, 0, 1, and 2. That's why less than 3 means 0, starts with the 0, and 1 and 2. So three values it takes. Similarly, here also 3 values. So the same thing continues with the other matrices also. So this is a addition of 3 by 3 matrix, and if you see the output, the given matrix A is because we want to show the elemental names. So A, 0, 0, row and the column index also are shown here. This is the given matrix A and another matrix B, and the resultant matrix, that is 10 plus 1, 11, 20 plus 2, 22. Like this, all the elements, the respective elements in these 2 matrices are added, and the resultant matrix is obtained here. So this is about the addition of matrices. We will take up a typical problem in the addition of matrices in the next video. Hope you had understood this topic very well. And if you have any questions or any suggestions, please do send through comments. Thank you. Please do subscribe the channel to get the alerts. Thank you.